Good evening. So, mag-withdraw na tayo. Yan. So, 100,000 equivalent to pesos. So, yan. So, withdraw na tayo. Click po natin yan. And kailangan is GCash po natin siya dapat ma-withdraw. So, withdraw now. Confirm. Yan. Click po natin yan. Make it sure na GCash mo po yan at $10. So, ayan, submit, confirm, submit, and enter PIN code. At ayan, 0 na, success po yung pag-withdraw natin. So, check po natin yan, 0 na. So, click po natin yung message. So, meron pong arrival method. So, dyan, or notice. So, dyan makikita natin kung magkano yung na-withdraw natin. So, yung $10 is 552. Yan. Meron pong second message na kailangan natin hintayin. Yan. So, arrival notice. Click po natin yan. And ito na po yung second. Successful. So, yan. Meron pong receipt. Yan. Nung napadala na sa ating GCash, yung 552.16. Yan. Click po natin yung ating GCash. So, check po natin kung napasok or pumasok na talaga sa ating GCash. So, ayan. So, successful po na nakuha po natin yung ating 552.16. Congrats! Thank you for watching!